purpose of this video is to teach you the basics of uploading and downloading files from the HACU intranet system. The first thing you need to do before you access the HACU intranet is to request a username and password from OIT. Just send an email to Ray or Steven asking for access to the HACU intranet, and after that you will receive a username and password. The username will match the username of your Windows logon, and the password will probably be password 99. Once you've gotten your username and your password, there are a couple of ways to access the HACU intranet. The easiest way is to just go to our portal page, which is located at www.hacu.net/portal, and then click right here on the icon labeled HACU intranet. The other option, which is a little quicker, is just to type intranet.hacu.net into any web browser located anywhere, and then hit enter, and it will take you to the redirect page and direct you to the login screen for the HACU intranet. Now, the HACU intranet is based on a collaboration technology called Alfresco, which is why you see the word Alfresco here with the logo. And beneath the Alfresco logo is a space to enter in your username and your password that you were issued by OIT. So type in your username and then your password, and then click the login button. And you will go to the dashboard page for Alfresco. After you've accessed the dashboard page in Alfresco, the first thing you want to do is change your password. You need to make your password match your Windows logon password. And the way you do that is by clicking on your name in the upper right corner and then select Change Password. And on this screen, the first space allows you to enter in your old password that you were issued by OIT, which is probably password 99. Then you type in your new password, which is going to be your Windows logon password, and verify it, and then hit OK, and the password will be changed. After you've changed your password, you're now ready to access the file storage location within Alfresco. The way you access the file storage location in Alfresco is by clicking here on this icon labeled Repository. Once you click on the repository, you will see the folders that contain all of the content in Alfresco. Now, your personal folder is going to be located here in this folder called User Homes. If you click on User Homes, you should see a folder there with your login name on it. Once you get there, click on your login name, and that'll bring you inside the folder. Now, as you can see, there's some little simple instructions here on how to upload files and create folders. Every empty folder in Alfresco looks just like this, giving you this helpful information on how to upload files and create folders. The first thing I'm going to do here inside my empty home folder is to create a couple of new folders so I can start putting my stuff in it. So what I'm going to do is click on the New Folder button, and I'll call this folder Folder 1. And there it is right there. Then I'll click New Folder and call this guy Folder 2. You can call them anything you want, of course. I'm just being very unimaginative. And there's Folder 2. Once I've created folders, I can start uploading files into them. So what I want to do, for example, is click here on Folder 1, and I'm going to see an empty folder, which is going to have all this little helpful information. There's a couple of ways to upload files into a folder in Alfresco. The easiest way is to just drag and drop. You can very easily drag files from your desktop or from another folder on your computer inside this window, and once you let go, just do the drag and drop. Once you let go, the file will be uploaded for you. So for example, I am going to pick an image file that I have here. That's a JPEG, and I'm going to drag it over, and here it comes into view. There it is. And notice as I drag it in how this box area here is outlined with the blue line. So notice that the blue line appears when it is magically ready to be uploaded. And once I get that blue line appearing, I let go of my mouse button and the file gets uploaded. I hit OK and there it is. The really cool thing about this system is that you can upload multiple files as well. So for example, I can pick, let's see, I can pick I can pick 4 files here, then drag them in. Here they come, and there they are right there. There's one of them. There's a couple others. And notice the box is outlined in blue. It's not outlined. Now it is. It's not. Now it is. Once it gets outlined in blue, I just let go of the mouse button, and Alfresco uploads the files into this folder. Hit OK, and there they are, ready for work. Now, unfortunately, you can't drag and drop folders, which would be kind of cool. It'd be nice to be able to drag and drop folders, but you can't do that. You have to create folders in Alfresco, and then after you've created folders, then you can drag and drop files either one at a time or several at a time, however you want to do that. Now, there may be times when the drag and drop doesn't work. You might be in a hotel somewhere using a computer that is configured to be very locked down from a security perspective. And in those types of situations, the drag and drop may not work. In that case, what you want to do is nothing to worry about. Just click here on the Upload button, and you will get this dialog box asking you to select files to upload. So you come over here and go to your documents, and let's see, there's one right there I want to upload. I hit Open. Well, actually, let's upload we can upload multiple files. You can do either one, or you can select multiple files and then hit Open, and they all get uploaded into your folder. And notice you can make as many folders as you want, and you can make folders inside of folders. So right now I'm in folder 1, of course, so I can make another folder called folder 1.1. Save that guy, and there it is, and then I can upload as many files in there as I like. Once you've uploaded files, they are available from anywhere. As long as you have internet access and a fairly recent browser, you can access your files from any place. Whether you're at home, on the road, or at the conference, wherever, you can access these files from wherever you're at. All you have to do is log in, go to your repository, and then go to your user homes, and go to your home folder, and there's all the folders that you created, ready for you to download. In the next video, I'll show you how to download and edit a file that you've placed into Alfresco.